everyone. I'm Tina.
I'm Lina.
This sunflower warning light is so popular, especially in the Saudi Arabia.
It has 9 work modes. Let me show it for you. The first, normal flashing with true color.
The second, strobe flashing with yellow color.
The third, normal flashing with yellow color.
The fourth, steady light with yellow color.
The fifth, SOS flashing with yellow color.
The sixth, strobe flashing with red color.
The seventh, normal flashing with red color.
The eighth, steady light with red color.
The ninth, SOS flashing with red color.
Press 3 seconds off the light.
Super bright LED lights. The visual distance can reach more than 500 meters.
Has plenty lithium battery for long work time.
It has IP67 waterproof and a long lifespan.
Easy to install. Suitable for intensive use.
If you want to learn more about it, feel free to contact us.
Sunflower warning light.
Illuminate your city.